In this video, we'll demonstrate how to analyze visual attention in a real-world design using an AI assistant and simulated eye tracking reports from Feng-GUI. Let's take this Pepsi ad as our example. It's professionally designed and visually striking. But what exactly draws the viewer's attention first? We'll start by uploading the original ad to the AI assistant. We ask the assistant to analyze the design and provide pros, cons, and suggestions for improvement. Even without additional data, the assistant can already offer an initial analysis. Let's review some of the assistant's feedback. The visual gag, Pepsi wearing a Coca-Cola costume for Halloween, creates an unexpected twist. Neuroscience research shows that surprises pique attention and boost retention, making the message more likely to stick in viewers' minds. The playful rivalry taps into humor, triggering positive emotional responses and dopamine release, which make people more likely to share or remember the ad. Potential brand confusion. The Coca-Cola branding is visually dominant due to the cape's bright red and large logo. Suggestions for improvement. Consider pulling the cape back more to reveal more of the Pepsi can and logo. The AI assistant highlights key strengths in layout, contrast, and visual hierarchy. It also identifies potential areas of distraction and how to improve them. Next, we send the Feng-GUI heatmap report to the AI assistant and ask the assistant to update its feedback based on the heat map. Attached is an analysis report of the design. Please update your earlier feedback using this report. Revise the pros, cons, and suggestions based on the visual attention data shown in the report. Now, the assistant refines its insights using real attention data, highlighting hot zones and gaze patterns. The heat map reveals that viewers' attention is overwhelmingly focused on the front of the can, with hot spots evenly distributed between the Coca-Cola cape and the central Pepsi logo. The assistant confirms that the central area in the ad receives most of the attention, saying that the focal point draws immediate attention to the most conceptually important area, the can and the costume. This ensures viewers engage with the key narrative of the brand rivalry joke. Honestly, I was amazed by how smart and helpful the AI assistant is, especially after analyzing the heat map. It's like having a second set of expert eyes on your design. What's even cooler? This is AI helping you. That's the kind of creative collaboration that helps you make better design decisions, faster and with more confidence. This kind of tool is a real game changer for anyone working on visual content. With the power of AI and simulated eye tracking, you can evaluate any visual, from ads to websites, and discover what truly captures attention. Use this workflow to guide your design process, test your assumptions, and build visuals that connect. Thank you for your attention. See you in the next session.